this one? This word. Okay. Oh, this one is protect. You know protect? Someone attacks you and then you protect yourself. So I need you to compare my answers, whichever way is comfortable for you. Either here, you want to place it here or here. I need to compare your answers with my answers. This one is yours. Why not we just look at a direct comparison for question 2? Can you read question 2?
Ray was about to throw the ball to one of his...
Wait, can you read question 2?
Why did Ray raise his hand to cover
His hands.
to cover his eyes?
His eyes. So, what did you write for the answer?
Ray was about to throw the ball to one of his teammates when he raised a hand to cover his eye. The sunlight was
Blinding. Okay, what's the meaning of blinding?
Right?
Okay, so bright, was it just bright or very bright?
Very bright.
Okay, and then I need you to read my answer.
The sunlight was
blinding his eyes.
and he felt painful when he covered his eyes to protect them.
Oh, this one is hands. Hands means so. So he covered his. Sorry, I need to turn around. So he covered his eyes to protect them. Now let's just talk about question 2. Your answer and my answer. What do you think is the main difference?
The use of the words.
Again?
The use of the words.
Okay, I use some of my own words. That's number 1. What else? Because the question asks very specifically. Specifically means directly. They ask, why did Ray raise his hands to cover his eyes? Why? Either this or this, whichever way. Why?
Because it was blinding.
Because, so you notice the main difference between your answer and my answer. You said that Ray was about to throw the ball to one of his teammates when he raised a hand. This entire portion, I'm going to use light blue. From here, can't really see the difference, so I need to use red. From here all the way to here, do you think it's needed to answer the question? I mean, seriously, because the question is asking, and it's just asking, why did Ray raise his hands to cover his eyes? And my question to you is, do you think this part is needed? Only this, okay, you point to me which part is needed.
And he raised a hand to cover
His hand.
To cover his eye. The sunlight was blinding.
Right. Did you copy this directly from the passage? Now let's take a look at the passage. Right, over here. Dash, the sunlight was blinding. Well, let's say you answer it like that. So why not you cross it by itself? Cross it off by itself. That means you do this. You cancel this like that. here also we cancel it. Alright. Now, if you were to answer your question with this, when he raised a hand to cover his eyes, dash, the sunlight was blinding, full stop. Do you think it makes sense? So how can we change this from this part onwards? When he raised his hand, all the way to sunlight was blinding, to a proper sentence. To just answer this question, why did he raise his hands to cover his eyes? Okay, why not? The first attempt, the first try, you take a look at my answer. Blinding his eyes. So he covered his eyes to protect them. Do you think that is more suitable? Much more suitable, in fact? We cannot just copy it. And just now you were asking me, need to write the sentences? Yes, you need. Why not we try again for question 3? That you just answer whatever they ask. And can you read question 3 for yourself?
What was the result of the match?
Alright, so that's it. What was the result of the match? Why not you try to answer?